Hello, welcome. In today's video, I will be taking you guys through a weekend of my life, and currently I am getting ready for track practice. The whole morning, I didn't really do anything other than lie in bed, but that's okay. And after track practice, I was able to bike home with this beautiful sunset. And I am home from track practice, and I had plans to eat dinner with some of my friends from track. I wanted to put on a quick little outfit to keep me warm for the rest of the night, and this is what I came up with. I didn't get any clips from dinner, but it was really fun, so I'm really glad I was able to meet up with my friends. By the time I got home, it was pretty late, so I decided to take a shower. After my shower, I decided to clean up my room and just tidy things up. My room has currently been such a mess because I haven't had time. And during practice, my ankle was hurting, so I decided to ice my foot while this whole process of me organizing my room. And the easel I'm putting away right now in this clip is a French easel, which I recently got, and it is so cool. And I'm hoping to be able to film a video on it soon because it has been so fun and useful with this easel. This is super random, but I like doing my makeup right here because number one, my bed is there and it's nice and cozy in the morning. And number two, it has the best lighting since my room is pretty dark in the morning. Something else I also like to do is to dry flowers, and I like to dry them in bouquets and then I will decorate them in my room. They smell so good and they're so beautiful. Good morning. Here's me just checking the weather just to make sure it's not pouring rain. I decided to wake up a bit early so I can have a nice slow morning to myself. And my mom made me some breakfast and it was so yummy. And if you're wondering what the bread on the side is, it is whole wheat pita bread and it was so good, even Mocha wanted some. After I was done eating breakfast, I put on some music and here is me getting ready. I had some extra time since I woke up early, so I decided to do some schoolwork. I had a couple tests coming up and I needed to get on top of my work. So I decided to spend the next hour and a half just studying and catching up on some work. And it was getting closer to the time I had to leave my house, so I changed to my uniform and put on some layers. I decided to put on leg warmers because it was pretty chilly outside, or so I thought. Ended up being pretty warm, but here's me just putting on some layers and packing my bag. And I am off to my track meet. I did 3 events. I did 100 hurdles, 300 hurdles, and 4x4 relay. It was such a nice day today. It was really on and off with raining, but it was pretty nice. I am back home from my meet and my ankle got a lot worse, so I decided to just ice my ankle for the rest of the day.